Hello and welcome to this video. In this, we are going through the hardest question from the paper 12 May June 2019. And again, this is a function question. Functions f and g are defined by f and g functions are given 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Obtain expressions for f inverse of x and g inverse of x, stating the value of x for which g inverse of x is not defined. So we need to find the expression for f inverse of x and g inverse of x. So finding the inverse of f and g. First let's find the inverse of f. So f is given as 3x minus 2. Okay. So let's take this as y. F of x as y. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. The next step is interchange x and y. So we get x equal to 3y minus 2. Okay. Now make y as the subject. So add plus 2 on both the sides. So we get x plus 2 is equal to 3y. Now divide both the side by 3. So we get x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y. So which can be written as y is equal to x plus 2 divided by 3. Okay. Now this is nothing but f inverse of x. So x plus 2 divided by 3 is the f inverse of x. Now let's find out the g inverse. So g of x is 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. This can be written as y is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Okay. Now interchange x and y. So we get x equal to 2y plus 3 divided by y minus 1. Now cross multiply. So we get xy minus x equal to 2y plus 3. We have to make y as the subject. So bring this 2y to the left hand side. So xy minus 2y is equal to x plus 3. Okay. Now take y commonly. Y multiplied by x minus 2 is equal to x plus 3. So divide both the side by x minus 2. So we get y is equal to x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Okay. So this is nothing but g inverse of x, which is equal to x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. So it's given stating the value of x for which g inverse of x is not defined. Okay. So g inverse of x is not defined when x is equal to 2. So x should not be equal to 2. The next part of the question is solve the equation f g of x equal to 7 over 3. F g of x, that is we have to substitute g of x in f. F is 3x minus 2. So 3. For x we have to substitute g of x, which is 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 minus 2 equal to 7 over 3. So now expand the brackets. 6x plus 9 divided by x minus 1 equal to, bring this negative 2 to the right hand side. So we get 7 over 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 7 plus 6. So 13 divided by 3. So 6x plus 9 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 13 divided by 3. Now just do cross multiplication. So we get 3 times 6 is 18. 18x plus 9 times 3 is 27 equal to 13 times x is 13x minus 13. Now bring the x term to the one side and number to the another side. So 18x minus 13x equal to minus 27 minus 13, which is equal to minus 40. And here 18x minus 13x is 5x. Now divide both the side by 5. So we get x equal to minus 8. The next hardest question from the paper is question number 11. It's an integration question. The first part is not difficult one. The diagram shows part of the curve and the minimum point M. Find expressions for dy by dx and integral y dx. So you need to differentiate and you need to integrate the given equation of the curve. Let's differentiate this one first. Let me write y as y is equal to 4x plus 1 the whole power 1 over 2 plus 9 multiplied by 4x plus 1 the whole power negative 1 over 2. Now we have to differentiate this one. Dy by dx is the power, which is 1 over 2 multiplied by the base 4x plus 1, and now decrease the power by 1, so negative 1 over 2 multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is 4, plus 9 multiplied by the power negative 1 over 2 multiplied by the base is 4x plus 1, and the power decreased by 1 will gives negative 3 over 2 multiplied by the coefficient of x 4. This is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 is 2. 2 divided by 4x plus 1 the whole power 1 over 2. 9 multiplied by negative 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 is negative 18 divided by 4x plus 1 power 3 over 2. This is dy by dx. Next, let's do the integration. Integral y dx equal to integral, what is y, 4x plus 1 the whole power 1 over 2 plus 9 times 4x plus 1 the whole power negative 1 over 2 multiplied by dx. Okay, so the base is 4x plus 1, increase the power by 1, so this will be 3 over 2. divided by the power 3 over 2 multiplied by the coefficient of x 4 plus 9 multiplied by 4x plus 1. Increase the power by 1 gives 1 over 2 divided by the power 1 over 2 multiplied by the coefficient of x 4 plus the integration constant c. Let's simplify this one. So 1 over 6 multiplied by 4x plus 1 the whole power 3 over 2 plus 9 divided by 2 multiplied by 4x plus 1 power 1 over 2 plus c. Okay, this is integral y dx. The next part of the question is find the coordinates of M. So M is given as the minimum point. Okay. So at this point dy by dx is 0. Okay. We know dy by dx from this. So we have to equate this to 0. So first let me write dy by dx is 0. So 2 divided by 4x plus 1 the whole power 1 over 2 minus 18 divided by 4x plus 1 power 3 over 2 equal to 0. Okay, we have to solve this to find the value of x. Let me take 4x plus 1 the whole power 3 over 2 as the common denominator. So we get 2 multiplied by 4x plus 1 minus 18 equal to 0. So this expression will be equal to 0 when the numerator is equal to 0. So 8x plus 2 minus 18 equal to 0. Or 8x minus 16 equal to 0. Or 8x equal to 16. So x equal to 16 divided by 8, which is 2. So the coordinate of M is, when x is 2, we have to find the y value. Y is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 the whole power 1 over 2 plus 9 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 the whole power negative 1 over 2. And this is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 plus 1 9. 9 power 1 over 2 is 3 plus 9 multiplied by, and this term within the bracket is 9. 9 power negative 1 over 3 is nothing but 1 over 3. Okay, this will be 3 plus 3, which is 6. So M is 2, 6. Okay. So the third part of the question is the shaded region is bounded by the curve, the y-axis, and the line through M parallel to the x-axis. Find, showing all necessary working, the area of the shaded region. So the shaded region is bounded by the curve, the y-axis, and the line through M parallel to the x-axis. So we need to find the equation of the line through M which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so if you solve this one, then the question will become very simple. The line through M parallel to x-axis means the gradient is 0. So the equation of the line through M parallel to x-axis is the gradient is 0. Okay, so this line which is parallel to x-axis, so M is 0 at this point. Okay, and this is the line, and M is 2 comma 6. Okay, so what is the y-axis value? Here it is 6. So the equation of the line is y is equal to 6. So now to find the area of the shaded region, we have to find the area under the curve minus the area under the line y is equal to 6. Integral y dx, y is 4x plus 1 the whole power 1 over 2 plus 9 multiplied by 4x plus 1 power negative 1 over 2 multiplied by dx. Okay, minus 6 dx. Okay, so what is the limit for this? So the corresponding x value is 2, so 0 to 2. We already did this integration. So this is equal to 1 over 6 open bracket 4x plus 1 power 3 over 2 plus 9 over 2 4x plus 1 power 1 over 2. The limit is 0 to 2 minus 6x. The limit is 0 to 2. Okay, let's substitute the limit. First let's substitute the upper limit 2. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is 9. 9 power 3 over 2 is nothing but 27. 9 over 2 multiplied by 9 power 1 over 2 is nothing but 3. Now let's substitute the lower limit 0. So 1 over 6 multiplied by 0 plus 1. 1 power 3 over 2 is nothing but 1. Minus 9 over 2. Again this is also 1. 4 multiplied by 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 power 1 over 2 is nothing but 1. Okay. So now let's do this part. Minus 6 multiplied by 2 plus 6 multiplied by 0. So 9 divided by 2 plus 27 divided by 2 minus 1 over 6 minus 9 over 2 minus 12. These two gets cancelled. So 27 multiplied by 3, which is 81, minus 1 minus 12 multiplied by 6 is 72, equal to 81 minus 1 is 80. 80 minus 72 is 8. 8 over 6, which is 4 over 3, which is nothing but 1.33. So area of the shaded region is 1.33.